Welcome to Bricklead's Advanced Price Management video tutorial. Discover how to transform Dynamics 365 Business Central into a powerful pricing engine. Easily create pricing scenarios and discount methods to meet all your business requirements. Create discounting methods and price templates, and then create your price lists and feed them into the templates. Advanced Price Management by Bricklead not only transforms your Business Central into a high-powered, customizable pricing engine, it also allows you to understand the impacts of discounting on your margins. Before getting into the details, these are the features we'll be covering in this presentation. We'll start this demonstration with a practical example of how to create a sales order and apply pricing rules. Let's start by creating a sales order in the Sales Orders section. To do this, we'll be using several features of the Advanced Price Management app. To create a sales order, you first select a customer, then set a delivery date. Select items from the table and enter a quantity for the first item. You'll get a first price level. Now I'm going to add the same item, but this time changing the quantities to 100. You'll see that, depending on the quantities entered, different pricing and discount rules apply to our products. You can view all pricing and discount rules in the Line Detail section of the interface. If we select the first order line, we see that 3 price lists are used. Let's take a look at the Retail price list. We see that a sales price is applied according to quantity. On the second line, we see a discount that varies according to the base quantity. This discount is applied in relation to the net value of the previous item, in this case 10 euros. In complex pricing, special sales conditions can also influence the price, but in this example, they don't apply, keeping the amount at 9.90 euros. If we look at the second line, the price varies according to quantity. A 2% discount is applied according to quantity, bringing the amount down to 8.82 euros. On the last line, there is a third discount of 3%, which is triggered when the threshold is reached, reducing the amount to 8.56 euros. Additional discounts can be added to other price lists to manage specific promotions for a particular item. In our example, a discount of 12.19 euros is applied. We can also view a detailed breakdown of costs, including promotional rates and codes, to analyze their impact on the product's total cost price. To set up this type of promotion, or in fact any other feature, the application comes with a comprehensive setup tool. You can access it by going to the Advanced Price Management Setup page. From the Global Settings screen, you can define more items. The Number Series section allows you to define the following elements: management elements, stumps, and series. Next, the Manual Details section allows you to set up several important parameters, such as the default values for identifying the origin of the price, the origin of discounts, identified by the manual discount code, the assignment of these discounts to a level, which can be managed both for statistical analysis via the manual discount stat level, and for document printing via the manual discount print level. You can also add additional discounts using the Add Specific Line Discount option. The Item Card Price section allows the application to search for the price in the item card if it cannot be found, by identifying it with a discount code that specifies its origin. Finally, the Negative Discount section is used to manage negative discounts. These negative discounts are defined based on a list of discounts that you have previously created, and which can be accessed via discount types. All these features will make it easy for you to set up your promotions and advanced pricing. The Template section allows you to build different discount models of varying complexity. In our first example, the discount template allows very simple price management, consisting of a selling price and a basic discount. In this second example, we'll consider a more comprehensive discount template. This model allows you to create a substitution item, free items, sales prices, assortments, and other types of discounts. It includes different assignment methods, visible in the line type column, different calculation methods in the calculation mode column, and relationships between elements to define the reference element for the calculation. In our last example, let's look at a model designed to determine pricing based on promotions. We'll see how to set up these promotions in another part of the video. Instead of using net value, these 3 discounts are based on cumulative net value, that are always linked to another discount. This allows you to define the calculation basis for each of the elements of this discount. You can create as many models as you need, depending on the different contexts and customers. Once these elements have been configured, you can use them in price lists, which can be determined by promotion elements with a code that can be assigned according to the type of promotion. Let's move on to price lists. The first price list gives access to a global price list that displays all the basic prices for each of your items, based on a tiered price and quantity. In the second price list line, you can manage discounts using different filtering rules. You can apply a discount according to an item filter by selecting any field in the item master record. In our example, for a particular item, you can manage free items with an associated management rule. In this case, you need to define the assignment conditions. In our example, when I reach a quantity of 100 products, for each increment of 100 products, I'll give away 10 products for free, which is equivalent to a total discount of 100%. Advanced price management brings new, configurable features to sales parameters. You can access the sales parameters on the Sales and Receivables Setup page. A number of options are available, including a choice of pricing methods. You can opt for the lowest price, in other words the most advantageous for the customer. This is how Business Central Standard works. It consists in finding the lowest authorized price with the highest authorized line discount on a given date. Advanced price management also offers a new option, the closest price. In this case, once a price is found, it is applied immediately, thus following a precise structure and order in price processing at order line level. The price calculation method can be based on several elements, such as delivery date, shipment date, or document date. Similarly, the reference for determining the price can be the invoiced customer or the ordering customer. Let's take an example using a freebie function. I'm going to select an item. When I enter a quantity of 100, the free price defined in the price list is automatically applied, with a 100% discount corresponding to what was defined. There is also another function associated with price list management. This is the tree structure function, accessible from price list management. Price tree management lets you structure your price lists hierarchically. This feature is accessible via the source type field and gives you great flexibility in applying prices according to various criteria. By defining a tree structure at price list level, you can associate prices not only to an individual customer, but also to a group of customers, a large customer, or a discount group. The customer tree view concept allows you to structure each customer using nodes to organize the various elements. Rates are applied according to the element selected in this hierarchical structure. For example, all customers in the France tree view will benefit from the discounts defined in this price list. This function is available and can be configured at item master level, or manually in the list, to display all relevant items. To illustrate this, let's take the case of my customer datum. By consulting the tree structure, I can visualize the entire structure with a root and an organization on several levels. You can structure your customers by region, country, continent, international, etc., with as many levels as necessary, depending on your needs and the structure of your customer database. With tree-based management, you can take a more flexible and efficient approach to managing your prices by aligning discounts and prices according to the defined hierarchy. To understand how the prices you've set up are structured, Advanced Price Management provides you with a dedicated analysis tool. Here's how it works. First, you configure your analysis tool by specifying a unique identification code. Next, you link the customer concerned by the analysis and specify the calculation period. Once you've entered this information, just launch the calculation. The tool will review all the items associated with this customer, taking into account all possible price and discount conditions, as well as details of the different discount levels applied. The results of this analysis can be exported in two different formats, margins or prices. This gives you a clear and detailed view of the pricing structure you have configured. This extension comes with online help directly accessible on each screen. The list in the left pane allows you to move from one topic to another, making it easy to set up the extension. We've reached the end of this tutorial. Now you know how the Bricklead Advanced Price Management app works. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our future content. Your comments and questions are always welcome, so feel free to leave them below. Join us on our YouTube channel for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.